Hello and welcome to the coding challenge part 2, and this is the thing, or this is the task which we are going to perform in this coding challenge part 2. So in here we actually have to correct the errors in the following code. So right now we have this code which appears to be correct, but let's go ahead and try to run this thing and see how this thing is going to work. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to copy the entire code, go back to the document, which is the HTML document, and I'm simply going to paste the entire code over here. So now if you actually go ahead, save the code, and if you hit refresh, as you could see, nothing popped up on the output screen or on the web browser, and that's because we have some error in this code right here. So in order to understand what our error is, let's go ahead and look at the code. So the thing is that this code is to actually declare a variable, save the value 300 into it, and then to basically go ahead and print out the variable. But if you could notice here, the variable name is exactly the same, but the only thing is that here in the next thing, which is right here, we have used a capital letter over here, whereas in case of this variable name we have used a small case letter. So as we have already learned in this section that JavaScript is a case sensitive language, that is, the uppercase letters are different from the lowercase letters. So JavaScript actually distinguishes between the two. So you always need to take care that whenever you are declaring variables, you always use the same case for them everywhere. So what we could do simply is that we could replace this uppercase V by a lowercase one. So now if you save the code and if you hit refresh, as you could see, now the error disappeared and we get the value as 300. So that's it for this coding challenge, and this was one of the most simplest coding challenges, and it was actually to give you guys an idea about the case sensitivity in JavaScript. And one more thing which I would like to tell you guys is that the case sensitivity also applies to function names as well. So we are actually going to learn about functions in the upcoming sections, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of the case sensitivity in JavaScript, and henceforth I have included this challenge in the course. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.